Hello guys, you are welcome to Dice Media once again. Today I'm going to teach you how to mine VV, or some call it AVIVE, some call it AVIVE. So any name you can use to call this airdrop or this mining project. So you can see that they've written here claim. I have claimed the BTC, which is the Bitcoin already. So you can see that this is the total number of Bitcoin I have mined from this app, and this is the AVIVE that I've mined. So I'm going to mine this one for you to see. So I'm going to claim. So you can see that the AVIVE will be going high. So right now I'm having 29.7 VV. Alright, so if I haven't claimed this already, like we'll be seeing that this one, when I claim, the BTC will also go high. Alright, so I'm going to teach you the process on how to mine this AVIVE. Alright guys, so I'll be leaving the referral link in the description box. So the next thing that you have to do is, when you tap on the referral link, it will redirect you to this browser, which is your either any browser that you are using. It will redirect you there. So the next thing that you have to do is to input in your email address. So mine is alright. So the next thing that you have to do is to go to send OTP. After you have tapped on the send OTP, or go to your email account, they will send you the OTP, which is the verification code. So when you tap on it, you go and copy it. So there's it. You copy your address. Alright, so you go back to the browser, then you paste in the OTP. So input email OTP, which is the verification code. Then you go to register. So it says register successful. So the next thing that you have to do is go and download the application. So pick the first one if you are using Android, and if you are using if you are using iPhone, you can also pick the second one. But this one is for those who want to download it from the browser. So I don't want to download from the browser. I want to download from the Play Store. Alright, so you can see that I've already downloaded mine from Google Play Store. So what you have to do is, if yours is new, you go to install. After installing, you go to open. If you've now opened from your Play Store, you have to go to the login. When you go to the login, type in your email address, then go to send OTP again, then go and copy the OTP from the email, then paste it. Go to login, then start mining as you saw it earlier. Thank you very much.